Hello, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर अनीता वाइस है। मैं प्रोफेसर हूँ यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ ओरेगन में है and मैं पाकिस्तान आती जाती हूँ कम से कम 40 साल से है। पहले बार मैं पाकिस्तान आई थी 1 जनवरी 1978 उर्दू सीखने के लिए, और मेरा ख्याल है अभी उर्दू तो आती है। Well, my new book, this is my 8th book that I'm writing. This book is called Countering Violent Extremism in Pakistan, Local Actions, Local Voices. And what I'm doing is I've gone all over Pakistan. I've gone on the back roads of Sindh, Khairpur. I've gone different areas of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Swat, Punjab, Bahalpur. And what I've been doing is I've been looking to find what it is the people, regular Pakistanis, what people are doing to take a stand and to say bus. Bus to the violence, to the extremism, and to say we want our lives back, we want our culture back. As one man said to me, we want our Pakistan back. So I'm documenting what they're doing. I have a chapter on poetry. I have a chapter on performance. I've looked at the interactive theater group that's based in Lahore, but I've been meeting people in Multan and people in Khairpur who have learned from the interactive theater group, and the Ajoka theater group, and Shima Kirmani and Tariq Naswan. And I'm writing, the chapter on resistance poetry is done. I'm writing about Pashto and Sindhi poetry and asserting who they are. I'm not writing about Punjabi poetry, which I explain the reasons in the book about that. I also have chapters on new kinds of educational institutions and teaching about peace. So for that, I'm looking at the Bacha Khan schools in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. I've gone to, I think now the count is 8 Bacha Khan schools run by the Bacha Khan Education Foundation, and also the Zoya schools in southern Punjab. I also have the chapter that I'm finishing now is the chapter on art. Next one up is the chapter on music. I've met the amazing Sef Samejo, who is a Sindhi Sufi folk rock star who just lives and breathes peace and asserting who he is as a musician, as a Sindhi musician, as a Pakistani musician, but promoting a message of peace and love. And I went to the Lauti Melo last March, that the theme was peace, and this year's theme is going to be celebrating the empowered woman, and that's going to be a little bit earlier, February 9th and 10th. तो ये मेरी किताब की बात है। उम्मीद है कि पाकिस्तानी लोग के लिए और बाकी दुनिया का लोग के लिए कुछ फायदा है, that this is the real Pakistan. This is nationalism in its truest form, to assert who you really are. Mehrabani.